Wala ka jela Meghalaya hadu kani kata yo kadang lat na kajingpang COVID-19 hanrei katanat jong ka koi ka kya kamsim la kensting penban kalalong kabala penkre banile persya yo ni kunyang jingpang ya kani la penpau do menteri sarkar jong kani jela Meghalaya ubakmi ya katanat ka koi ka kya Haka pratarik mata ubna ye jong arajar atpo menteri sarkar ubakmi katanat ka koi ka kya uba ALHEC hadian bulawan jurip ye ki jaka suma jong sarkar jela haki atli ki district jong karilum jantia ki bakentup ye ke Jowai West Jante Hills bat ka Cleariat East Jante Hills ulasong jingelang ru bat kinong mi khmat jong ka civil hospital Chelong Hakni jingelang le kran sani bha halor ki babun ki jing penkre lada kumno re kumno uknyang jingpang COVID-19 uyo bandrung hakni ke jela Meghalaya banlong ki bala penkre bani khun persya ye uni uknyang jingpang kumbagalong menta baro ki hospital sarkar hakni ke jela kilalong ki bala penkre ban ai ke jing sumare ki bayo ya ke jingpang coronavirus bat lada kambun kinong pang ya baro kinong pang ki basitam de ki weipat ki jingpang on penken ria no asiki hospital jong ki riusimen ni ki bapenya de ki kinhun ba pher habakran kinong pathai kubor hadien ke jingelang uba ALHEC rengkat ba director jong katanat ka kot ka kya ila penpaw ki jing sokman ban yo I ba baro ki hospital ki ba khamhe jong ka sarkar hakaleng ke jela ila long ki bala penkre na kabentakan ke jingpang bat kinong trairu na du ki doktor ki nurse bat ki wedi kinong yaram kilalong ki bala dan mensiem ban syakri opat ba
We had our discussion with our frontline leader who is going to combat the COVID-19 in our states. They are working very hard. They had been working overtime since the time we have been make the lockdown in our states and on the whole country. Every health workers, especially the doctors, they have been working very, very hard to combat with the COVID-19.
And we have seen with our own eyes the commitment, the dedication, and the sincerity of all concerned to prevent this infection coming into the state.